నేను చెప్పే ఉద్దేశం కొంతమందికి ఇవి రావని, వాళ్ళకి ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, వాళ్ళు బాగానే రాస్తారు. x square equal to minus 4ay and minus 4ay. Vertex is 0, focus is standard is a comma 0. This is minus a comma 0, and this is 0 comma a and 0 comma minus. 0 comma minus. Directrix equation. Here is x is equal to minus a. Here is x is equal to plus a. Here is y is equal to minus a. Here is y is equal to plus. Replace x by y. Vertex, focus, directrix. Length of lattice rectum. Here is 4a. Here is also 4a. Here is also 4a when a is positive. So when the length of the lattice rectum is same, then the parabolas are said to be equal parabola. Lattice rectum is length is same, then the parabolas are said to be equal parabolas. Length of lattice rectum same unte equal parabolas. Equation of lattice rectum. Here is x is equal to a, here is x is equal to minus a, here is y is equal to a, here is y is equal to minus. Ends of lattice rectum. Here is a comma to a and also a comma minus to a. Here is a comma minus to a plus a by a comma to a minus a comma to a minus a comma minus. Here is 2a comma a minus 2a comma a. Here is 2a comma minus a minus 2a comma minus. Ends of lattice rectum. These are standard formulas. నేర్చుకోవాల్సిన vertex, focus, directrix. Parabola standard form ని diagram గీస్తాను. In vertex where it intersecting the axis. This is the axis of parabola. Axis is x-axis and y-axis is tangent at the vertex. Directrix is here. X is equal to minus a. Focus is a comma 0. This is standard case. Just reverse item. This is market. In the case of another standard one, it is x-axis is tangent, y-axis is tangent, and axis is same as x-axis. But it is reverse. That is calling as left side parabola and right side parabola. Here is calling as upward parabola. It is calling as downward parabola. This is the directrix. Here is directrix. Lattice rectum is this one. It is parallel to tangent at the vertex and also directrix. Take any point on the parabola. SP is calling as focal distance. Focal distance. Take this as x1 comma y1. Your formula is x1 plus a. Here is also same formula. Here is y1 plus a. A replaced by minus a. In that case. Length and mod పెడతాం. Mod of x1 plus. Standard formula from తెలియాలి. Parabola చాప్టర్ చదువుతుంటే కనీసం డైరెక్ట్రిక్స్ అంటే ఏంది, ఫోకస్ అంటే ఏంది తెలియాలి. Axis of the parabola, axis of symmetry. Axis of the parabola, axis of symmetry. And x is equal to ay square plus by plus c. The parabola. Axis is parallel to x-axis. Now it is takes the form of y minus alpha whole square is equal to 4a in, I'm writing in terms of capital, into x minus h form. You can convert the above formula to this form, so that h comma k is vertex. H comma k is vertex. Nothing but derivative of right side with respect to y, 0. Is equal to 2ay plus b equal to 0. Y is equal to minus b by 2a. Vertex y coordinate is minus b by 2a. Next coordinate is 4ac minus b square by 4ac minus b square by 4. The lattice rectum is 1 by coefficient of y square. అలా మారితే మనకు అది వచ్చేద్దాం. Coefficient of y square. Four AC minus b square. Vertex is given by partial derivative with respect to y derivative with respect to 0. Equal to vertex 4ac minus b square by 4a comma minus b by. Axis equation is y is equal to minus b by. Also రాసినట్టున్నాను x ఇక్కడ y కదా y minus alpha y square equal to 4ax. ఉల్టా ఉంటుంది. Axis is parallel to x axis. X is equal to a minus y square equal to 4ax form. And you can take this form. This is equal to x by a y square plus b by a into y plus c by a. This is making into perfect square. Y minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a minus b square by 4a square. Left hand side and taking a common. Just the axis is parallel to x axis. Y equal to minus b by 2. Parabola. Axis is parallel to x axis. The parallel to y axis for x. Quadratic in terms of y is equal to ax square dx plus c. Lattice rectum is nothing but 4a is nothing but 1 by mod. Prastham lattice rectum. Simplify చేస్తారు వచ్చిన మీరు. వరకు నేర్చుకుంటారు. Upward or downward or left or right అనేది depends upon c value. Fourier value. Length of lattice rectum. This 1 by a may be positive or negative. Depends upon y square coefficient. Positive negative. అలాగే x square coefficient positive negative. So ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ మరి మీరు చేయగలుగుతారు అనుకుంటున్నాను. y minus alpha whole square is equal to 4a into x minus I'm writing a small a. Okay. Now what about it? The x. Capital Y square is equal to 4a into capital X. Use this formulas. Capital X comma y. Vertex is 0. Focus. Capital X comma y is a comma 0. From this, where capital X is equal to x minus beta, capital Y is equal to y minus alpha. This is alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. Y minus beta whole square equal to 4a into x minus alpha. In obeying చేసేయండి. Capital X is equal to 0 means x is equal to beta, x is equal to alpha and y is equal to beta. equal to alpha and y is alpha beta is the vertex. There is no change in the length of lattice rectum. The lattice rectum is same, then the parabola is said to be equal. Two parabolas are equal if their lattice recta are equal. Standard. Tangent కి సంబంధించి the parabola y square equal to 4ax, line y is equal to mx plus c is tangent. Condition రాస్తాం c is equal to a by m. C is equal to a by m. Substitute here delta 0, then you will get c is equal to a by m. Therefore, equation of tangent in slope form. It is equal to y is equal to mx plus a by m. Y is equal to mx plus a by m. Equation of tangent, any tangent to this parabola. Y is equal to mx plus a by m. Let c is equal to a by m in case of standard parabola. In the point of contact, any general point, parametric form is equal to 8t square comma 280. X is equal to 8t square, y is equal to 280. We can write as dy by dx as a slope m. Here is dy by dx is 2a divided by 2at is equal to m. 2a cancel, t is equal to 1 by m. So from this you can write as a contact as in terms of slope is a by m square comma 2a by m. Is calling as contact with slope m. A line with the slope is m, tangent slope is m, then the equation of tangent to this parabola is y equal to mx plus a by m. A is nothing but 1/4 of y surface. Contact is given by this dy by dx as m. Therefore, t is equal to 1 by m. Therefore, at square a by m square comma 2a by m. Remember this formula as a contact. Point of contact is a by m square comma 2a by m. A parabola tangent is drawn at any point. If it is passing through a point x1 comma y1. If it is outside, there are two tangents are possible. Two tangents are possible. Tangent slopes are slope is m1 and the slope is m. How to write down the equations of tangents calculation? For the case of standard parabola, y square equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4ax. Point of intersection is of tangents is x1 y1. Means two tangents are possible from external point. Take the tangent equation in terms of slope for any one. A by m. As m changes, m has infinite possibilities. If it is passing through x1 y1, this infinite possibilities takes only two values. Y1 is equal to mx1 plus a by m. M takes two values. If there is nothing is substituted here, then that it is acting as a tangent to this parabola always for every real values of. Sometimes m may be infinity also. It means tangent at the vertex. Y1 is equal to mx plus a by m. This is the tangent whenever it is passing through a given point. Then the number of values of m instead of capital R takes only two values. So those two values are calculated with the help of this one. M square x1 minus y1 m plus a is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, sum of slopes. Y1 by x1, product of slopes. M1 m is equal to a by x1. When the product of slopes is equal to -1, then the locus of x1 by 1. M1 m is equal to -1. M1 m is equal to -1. That is equal to a by x1 is equal to -1. X1 is equal to -a. Then the locus of x1 by 1. That is the intersection point of tangents is a directrix. X is equal to -a. Directrix. This is also calling as perpendicular tangents. Locus of point of intersection is director circle. Director circle. The circle whose point of intersection of the tangents when the angle between them is 90. Product of slopes is -1, then the locus of the point of intersection x1 y1 point of intersection is calling as a tangent circle. In case of parabola, it is a directrix. So that if it is intersecting point is on the tangents are intersecting on the directrix, then angle between the tangents is always 90. Always 90. This is about the tangent, contact, and tangent intersection point is then the directrix, acting as a director circle in case of parabola. Sum of slopes and product of slopes. What about its area? When contact is formed, then what about its area? Area of triangle PAP. That is area formed by point of intersection of tangents and their contacts. This is chord of contact. This one. Chord of contact is equation given by S1 equal to. How to calculate this area? This is equal to S11 whole power 3 by 2 by A. S11 whole power 3 by 2 by A. So ఇది ఎలా కనుక్కుంటాం దానికి పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటరెస్ట్ కనుక్కొని ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది ట్రయాంగిల్ వాడుతున్నాం 90 ఉన్నప్పుడు కాదు not necessary 90 makes an angle theta. So angle between the tangents also. Root S11 by x1 plus c. The tan theta formula. Angle between the tangents is given by root S11 by x1 plus c. Remember these formulas. And also equation of tangent passing through x1 by 1. Second degree equation is remember as this one is equal to x1 into m square minus ym1 y1m plus a is equal to 0. Sum of slopes is y1 by x1, product of slopes is a by x1. For calculating angle between the pair of tangents given by tan theta is equal to root s11. Here root s11. S is taken as y square minus 4ax. So s11 is represented by y square minus 4ax1. Substituting the point. These are the standard notations used parabola. S11 is equal to y1 square minus 4ax1. When the point is outside the parabola, s11 is x11 by 1 outside. S11 equal to 0 on. S11 less than 0 inside. Inside means this one. Inside parabola. So parabola divides the plane into three parts. One is outside the parabola, one is on the parabola, one is inside the parabola. That is decided by substituting the point on parabola. In case of standard y square minus 4ax1 as s11 greater than 0 equal to 0 less than. When outside two tangents are possible, on the circle only on the parabola only one tangent. When it is inside the parabola there is no tangent formed at all. There is no real tangents for this. The number of tangents of drawn passing through a given point is decided by substituting the point in the parabola. If it is greater than 0, two parabolas equal to 0, only one parabola less than 0, no parabola formed. And area formed by chord of contact with the pair of tangents given by s11 whole power 3 by 2. Angle between the tangents is calculate tan theta is equal to root s11 by x1 plus a in case of standard. Standard వరకు రాశాను నేను. దీనికైతే x square equal to 4ay గా ఇస్తారు tangent. Any point is taken as 2at comma at square. Parametric point. Parametric point ఎప్పుడు తీసుకోవాలి? Angle tangents would form a triangle area maximum minimum including a parametric point is plus. Circle parabola hyperbola geometry మొత్తంలో కూడా maximum minimum గురించి మాట్లాడితే parametric point plus. 2at comma at square. What is the condition for this one? It is a tangent. C is equal to minus a square. C is equal to minus a square m. Condition for the tangent is y is equal to minus a square m. Tangent slope కూడా కనుక్కోవచ్చు. Point of contact means it lies on the parabola and also this both. Tangent slope is dy by dx. 2a d by 2a is taken as m. 2a cancel, then it left with 3 is equal to m. Then the point of contact is 2am comma am square. It is also lies on the line and also on the parabola. It is substituted on the parabola. ఎలాగో సాటిస్ఫై ఇది కదా am power 4 ఎలాగో సాటిస్ఫై అయితే ఇది కూడా ఇది ఈక్వల్ am square is equal to m into 2am plus c c is equal to minus a square ఎలా వచ్చిందని చూడడానికి రాస్తున్నాను నేను the slope of the tangent line is m and the parametric point is this one. What is the relation between t and m? T is equal to m. Therefore contact is 2am comma am square. So it is a substituted on this one as equal to contact is c equal to am square by value m is equal to 2am, this becomes 3am square, left side becomes c is equal to minus 6. Remember this one as far c is equal to minus a square m. Similarly, using this formula, if it is passing through a point, then it again gets two tangents. Outside point, inside point is no tangent. On the parabola only one tangent. This is contact కూడా చెప్పాను కదా am comma am square అని parabola మీద మూడు పాయింట్లు ఇస్తుంటాను ABC. What about its area? In case of standard parabola, y square equal to 4x. It is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Using y coordinates, what about your formula? Difference of y coordinates product. y3 minus y1. We can prove the area of the triangle formed by any 3 points inscribed in a parabola is given by 1 by 8a. This also take mod because a will fall for y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1. If draw tangents in this place, they also intersecting at 3 different points. PQR. The area of the triangle ABC divided by PQR is always area of the triangle by area of the triangle PQR is standard. Area of the triangle ABC by area of the triangle formed by their tangents drawn at ABC is always constant in case of parabola. It is ఇంతవరకు మినిమం తెలుసుకోవాలి. అలాగే నార్మల్ slope m normal equation y is equal to mx plus am square minus am square minus 3am. Normal with slope m is y is equal to mx minus am square minus 3am. So this will also be calculated with the help of parametric point. Standard parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4x. Point of contact is taken as 80 square comma 280. dy by dx gives the slope of tangent as 1 by t. Normal slope is minus t is equal to m. T is equal to minus m. Therefore t is equal to minus m. Point of contact is plus am square minus 2am. Now you can substitute in the standard case of parabola y is equal to mx plus c. And from that you can calculate c. Minus 2am equal to m in am square plus c. So c is equal to minus am cube minus 2am. Minus am cube minus 2am. C is equal to minus am cube minus 2am. This is a condition for the line to be a tangent. Y is equal to mx plus c is a normal condition. C is equal to minus am cube minus 2am. Using parametric point, derivative use tangent slope. Normal slope is reciprocal with minus sign. T equal to minus m. Now the contact is am square minus 2am. You can substitute this formula in case of parabola also. Minus 2am is equal to m into am square. C is equal to minus am cube minus 2am. It is a normal equation with the slope m. We can write t as minus m as minus t. You can get it out of t. And condition also tangents drawn at 2 points. Their intersection point is also fixed. 81 square to 81. 8 square comma 280. What is the point of intersection of tangents? Geometric mean of x coordinates, arithmetic mean of y coordinates. A t1 t2, a of t1 plus t2 in terms of parameter. నేను కార్డుతో కూడా చెప్పేసి కార్డు సంబంధించి కూడా చెప్పేస్తాను పాయింట్ కార్డు ఏదైనా ఫార్ములాలు ఉంటే ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ టాంజెంట్ కూడా మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకసారి రివ్యూ చేస్తాను. ఓన్లీ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఆఫ్ టాంజెంట్ వరకు రాశాను. నార్మల్ వరకు రాశాను. మీకు ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో వాటి దాటి ఏం అడగరు. T1 T2 కి సంబంధించిన ఫార్ములాలని నేను ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ రివ్యూ చేస్తాను నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్. 15 minutes ఉంది.